Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1281, indicates a communication loss between the Auto High Beam Control Unit and the Microcomputer Interface Unit, MICU, in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The Auto High Beam Control Unit is responsible for adjusting the vehicle's headlights automatically based on surrounding light conditions, improving visibility while driving at night or in low-light scenarios. The MICU plays a pivotal role in various electronic functions of the vehicle, and its communication with the high beam control unit is essential for this automatic feature to operate effectively. This issue can affect the vehicle's lighting performance, leading to either unresponsive headlights or improper operation of the high beam function. Addressing this DTC is critical to ensuring safe nighttime driving and compliance with road safety regulations. It is important to follow a systematic troubleshooting process to diagnose and resolve the underlying issue that causes this communication failure. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding recurrent issues like DTC U1281 in the future. Regular inspections of both the Auto High Beam Control Unit and the MICU can identify potential wiring problems or loose connections before they lead to communication failures. Performing routine checks of electrical connections, including tightening any loose terminals, can significantly reduce the risk of intermittent faults. Additionally, keeping vehicle software updated is essential, as updates often contain crucial fixes or enhancements to the system. Monitoring the overall system performance can also be beneficial. If any unusual behavior is observed, prompt attention can be given to the issue, preventing it from exacerbating into more significant problems. Engaging in these preventive measures can promote long-term reliability and safety of the vehicle's lighting system. Understanding the implications of DTC U1281 is crucial for maintaining the vehicle's safety and functionality, particularly regarding its lighting system. The troubleshooting steps outlined provide a systematic approach to diagnosing the communication loss between the Auto High Beam Control Unit and the MICU. Recognizing the importance of various components involved helps highlight the complexity of automotive electrical systems and the need for specialized knowledge in resolving such issues. Preventive maintenance plays an equally critical role in ensuring ongoing reliability. By staying proactive, owners can avoid future failures and enhance vehicle safety, especially during nighttime driving. Ultimately, effective troubleshooting and maintenance foster a safer driving experience and ensure the longevity of critical vehicle systems. DTC U1281 signifies a communication failure between the Auto High Beam Control Unit and the Microcomputer Interface Unit, MICU. The Auto High Beam Control Unit, typically situated near the front of the vehicle, controls the automatic adjustment of the headlights based on light conditions, enhancing visibility during nighttime or unfamiliar environments. The MICU, located in a secure housing within the vehicle's dash, manages various electrical functions and communications within the automotive network. If the communication between these two components is compromised, it can result in the auto high beam function becoming inoperative. This loss of communication could stem from several issues, including wiring faults, poor connections, or a malfunctioning unit. Therefore, understanding the roles and locations of these components is essential for efficient troubleshooting and repair. The potential causes of DTC U1281 include several factors that may disrupt the communication line between the components involved. First, wiring issues such as frayed or damaged insulation can interrupt signals, preventing proper function. Loose connections can also occur, where connectors between the auto high beam control unit and the MICU may not be secured tightly enough, leading to intermittent contact. A faulty auto high beam unit itself can fail, affecting its communication ability with the MICU. Additionally, a defective MICU may also exist, causing it not to process or relay the signals accurately. Lastly, there might be external interference with the communication signals that inhibit proper data exchange. Understanding these potential causes is vital for accurate diagnostics. The symptoms of DTC U1281 can significantly affect vehicle operation, especially the illumination system. Owners may experience high beam headlights that do not function at all or work erratically, not responding to changes in ambient light conditions. This can lead to safety hazards during nighttime driving, as the vehicle may not illuminate the road adequately. Additionally, the dashboard may display warnings indicating a communication failure or the malfunction of the auto high beam function. Drivers might find their nighttime visibility compromised, resulting in an increased risk of accidents. Therefore, recognizing these symptoms can serve as an alert to address the underlying electrical communication issue promptly. The initial troubleshooting step for resolving DTC U1281 involves clearing the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This is crucial because it resets the system, allowing for a fresh start in diagnosing any underlying issues. It helps to remove any previous temporary faults that could be misleading during your assessment. The HDS will provide a comprehensive overview of the vehicle's diagnostic codes and can determine if the issue persists after the reset. It is a straightforward first step, but essential in ensuring that only current and relevant fault codes are evaluated in subsequent steps. Clearing the DTCs allows for a real-time recheck, offering clarity on whether the communication issue is a recurring problem or an isolated incident. After clearing the DTCs, the next step involves utilizing the engine start-stop button to select the off mode, followed by the on mode. This process is fundamental as it helps to reset various electronic systems within the vehicle. Turning the engine off ensures that all modules go into a dormant state, while switching to the on mode activates the necessary systems for diagnostic evaluation. This step not only prepares the vehicle's electronic architecture for further checks, but also ensures proper initialization of the components, including the MICU and the auto high beam control unit. It is vital for establishing whether the issue resurfaces during the subsequent checks, thus confirming if the error is intermittent or persistent. Following the selection of the on mode, it is necessary to wait for at least 6 seconds. This waiting period is critical for allowing all electronic modules within the vehicle to stabilize and fully initialize after a power cycle. During this time, the communication lines between the auto high beam control unit and the MICU will attempt to establish a connection. This step is an essential part of the diagnostic protocol, as it ensures reliable results when checking for DTCs. Rushing through this phase might yield incorrect data and lead to unnecessary repairs or misdiagnosis. Ensuring that this wait time is adhered to will contribute to a thorough and effective troubleshooting process. The final troubleshooting step is to check again for DTCs with the HDS after completing the previous steps. This step is crucial as it assesses whether the DTC U1281 reappears, indicating ongoing communication issues between the auto high beam control unit and the MICU. The HDS will provide an updated list of diagnostic trouble codes, which will help in determining the status of the system after performing the previous resets and checks. If DTC U1281 is still present, It suggests deeper underlying issues that may require further investigation, possibly including evaluation of wiring or connectors. Documenting these findings becomes essential for providing a clear picture of the situation for any further steps that may need to be taken. If the DTC does not reappear, it may signal an intermittent fault or a successful reset. After addressing the issues that led to DTC U1281, it is imperative to perform final repair verification. This entails confirming that all repairs made were successful and that the auto high beam function operates as intended. Testing the auto high beams under different lighting conditions ensures that the units communicate properly and adjust as needed. Additionally, checking the functionality of the MICU is critical to confirm that it can send and receive signals accurately with the auto high beam control unit post-repair. If everything is functioning as it should, a final clearing of the DTCs may be warranted to reset the system. Documenting these verification steps is essential for maintaining a thorough service record and ensures customer satisfaction. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.